highly respected vocal coach from New York who's come all the way out here to help us. Everyone in Hollywood is taking voice lessons, Lena.
Oh, is RF taking them?
No, Lena. Ours is the head of the studio. He doesn't have to talk into a microphone.
Oh.
But Dawn is.
Donnie?
Yes.
Oh, goody,
I hear you're doing just great. Please continue, Miss Fenmore.
Now, Miss Mont, let's continue working on the line we've been working on all week. And I can't stand him.
And I can't stand him.
Oh my God.
And I can't stand him.
And I can't stand him.
Can't.
Good. Now, around the rocks the rugged rascal ran.
Around the rocks the rugged...
Around your arms.
Around the rocks the rugged rascal ran.
Now, simple Caesar sipped his snifter.
Hey, Cosmo.
Hello, Dawn, now.
Shall I continue?
Oh, yes, please, don't mind me.
Simple Caesar sipped his snifter, seized his knees, and sneezed.
Sinful Caesar snipped his...
Sipped his snifter.
Sipped his snifter. Thanks, Cosmo. Sinful Caesar sipped his snifter, seized his knees, and sneezed.
Marvelous! Oh, here's a good one. Chester chooses chestnuts. Cheddar cheese and chewy chives. He chews them and he chooses them. He chooses them and chews them. Those chestnuts, cheddar cheese and chives, and cheery charming chumps.
Wonderful, wonderful. Do not, please.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. Moses, he knows as his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously.
For Moses, he knows as his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes
Erroneously. A mose is a mose.
a rose is a rose.
A toes is a toes.
Whoop-de-doo-be-doo. Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. Moses, he knows as his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be. Moses supposes his toes are roses. Moses supposes his broken heart. Moses his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes is to be. A rose is 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 what Moses supposes his toes could be a lily or a downy lily. It's gotta be a rose 'cause it rhymes with Moses. Moses.